Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a very simple soap. It's gonna be 100% coconut oil soap. When making these types of soap, you need to superfat to at least 15, 20, 25%, so it counterattacks the extremely harsh cleansing effects that this soap has. I already have my coconut oil measured out, and I'm going to add my lye water solution, and this is a 1:1 ratio of lye water because I'm going to be adding some different types of milks to it. Let's hope that works out. My milks here, I have organic soy milk, organic almond milk, and organic coconut milk. I got it at my local Fresh Mart. You know, I thought this was gonna smell worse, but it really smells nice, this combination. So I'm gonna put that in my oils, scrape out my container. Then I'm going to keep mixing until light trace. I went ahead and added some of titanium dioxide to make the oils look whiter. Like trace, I'm going to add this to my mold. I didn't put any fragrance oil in this soap because I wanted to aim for people who are more sensitive, and that's why I put in some of the milks, because that really helps. I'm scraping out my container. So since this has milk, I'm going to put it into the freshest part of my house, the coolest part of my house, so it doesn't scorch. It might happen, so some people freeze their milk before adding it. I simply did not. I just did a water discount and put the milk in replacement of the water I discounted. Now we shake it a bit to get out the air bubbles, and that's all. This is a really simple soap to make. You can make it at home. It's really easy. It's nothing complicated. You can try it out. It's just 100% coconut oil. I usually use a lye water strength of 35.2 or 35.5. And I just discount. I put those in soap caulk, and then I just discount the water, and then I just replace it with the milk. And now I'm gonna go put this in a cool place. Thank you for watching, guys. My next soap will be a rainbow piped soap for the New Year's release I'm going to be making, so stay tuned for that. So we are back, not even 5 hours later of making this soap, guys. I heard that 100% coconut soap hardens really fast, but I didn't know it was this fast. It was crazy. I wanted to show you guys something. I haven't taken it out of the silicone mold yet. I wanted to show you guys this. If you can see, there's a little crack right there. That's totally normal. I've seen people asking and freaking out that their soap cracked and what should they do about it. This happens because the soap overheats, and so it cracks in the middle. Another thing that can happen if you're making milk soap is that it scorches, but that's because it also overheats. That's why I popped this one into the fridge when I saw that it was actually cracking, because that was, you know, the warning signs that it was too hot. So I got it inside the fridge so it wouldn't scorch, because I want my milks intact. And after I finished recording, I added a little bit of texture to the top because it looked too plain for my liking. So let's cut it, and I'm going to be cutting this with you guys, and I really hope that this does not break my cutter, because I don't know if it's too hard. I think it's kinda. It's just at the verge that if I left it another hour, this totally would have popped my wire. Guys, the crack is just aesthetics. I mean, it does nothing to your soap. As long as it's not scorched milk soap, everything's gonna be fine. To fix this, you just add a little bit of water to it, or if it's soft enough, you just mold it back into the shape you wanted it to be. So I'm just gonna show you guys this cut. I'm gonna fast forward everything else because there's nothing really to see. It's just a plain normal 100% coconut oil soap. I added a bit of biodegradable glitter on top. If this focuses, I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright and it's all white. I'm just gonna keep cutting this. And guys, thank you for watching. And I'm saying "and" too much.